Earn $598 right now. Yes, in 10 minutes, you can earn $598. So this is some make money online method. I'm going to show you how to make some money fast. So if you're brand new to this YouTube channel, make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. But look at this, $598. Let me just zoom in so you can see it right there. So welcome, guys. My name is Andre, and on this channel I talk about how to make money online entrepreneurship and how to make money online. So if you're brand new, consider liking this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on that bell notifications. Every time I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know, so I can give you the best methods and the best strategies that you can go out there with. So right now, I'm going to show you how to earn $598 as we speak. Yes, fast money. And I'm going to show you 2 websites that you can go, and it's absolutely free. Let me say that again. It is free, it is worldwide, and you can do this from anywhere. Your comfort of your home, coffee shop, it doesn't matter where it is. So for my regulars, happy to have you here. Let me know in the comments how you feeling today. How's everything with you? Because I always check in on you guys, and I really appreciate you watching my video over and over again. So let's jump into the video. Here's the website. This website is called Canva. Now, some of you probably know it, some of you don't. So hang on a second before you jump ahead and then you start assuming. Watch the video all the way to the end. So with Canva, what we're going to be doing is we're going to do logo designs. And I'm not talking about we're going to create logos on Fiverr. This is not Fiverr. This is not affiliate marketing or anything. This is not Shopify or drop shipping. What I'm going to share with you is how to create these logos for specific, and I said specific places. So stay with me. So if you don't know what Canva is, you can use it on your phone, your laptop, or also on your tablet. So you can download it. It is absolutely free. They have tons of designs on here. So I can just pick one right now, and it's just going to pop up on the screen. So on here, you can change the word. You can put make money online, right? You could do that. You can change it. You can put Andre down here if you want. And you can also change the color of this. You can put blue if you want. You can change all the different colors and just spice it up. Now, with this particular website, it is pretty cool because you can do a lot of different things. You can add, you can put like a big target on there. You can put a swan on there. You can put that. So you get where I'm going, right? So you can use this website to create logos that I'm going to share with you where you're going to go. So this particular website that I'm talking about is 99designs.com. And I'm going to share with you another website where you can make things a little bit easier for you. So 99 Designs, they create lots of different designs on here. If you're professional already and you don't want to use Canva and maybe you have something else, feel free to just come on here. You could sign up. But for this particular method that I'm going to be talking about, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom. When you go to the bottom, you click on designs, design contest. So design contests, they do it all the time. So here are the contests that they have. If you look right over here, people are making $299. So it is free. You don't have to pay money to do this type of stuff. So imagine if you create a design over and over again and being selected. Of course, you're going to make $598. So 2 of those designs are great. So if you come on here and you can click where it says get started right here, you can sign up. But I'm just going to click on this. You can see the different categories. You can see the type of industry. So let's go for logo and identity. $299. And we can click on logo designs, right? Industry, we can go with, let's just pick something. Let's go with dating. Ooh, smooth, right? So we're going to go into dating. Now, if you click on here, you can see exactly, the style right here. You can scroll down here and you can see some of the entries that are in already. Like if you look at this is not hard to do. 10 minutes on Canva. And I'm going to show you another website that you can pull these things where it's going to even take under 10 minutes. So if you come down here, you can see the different type of colors. They will tell you exactly, who are known, who are you known as. So the WTF date, These are the type of people that they're ranging for. So they tell you a little bit about exactly what they're looking for. So you could change this to like classic, modern, youthful, masculine, sophisticated, all that type of stuff. All right, there's like blind contest, guaranteed contest. So you can do all these things. So these are the type of designs that people already posted. And you can see like other notes that they're looking for. You know, WTF, I think the color in blue or black. So they're already telling you what they're looking for. So you really can't mess this up. So once you come on here, you can come on over to the good old Canva. You could do that. You could design it, or you can come over to this website that is called freelogodesigns.com. So what you could do, you can come over here and you can get the information for the particular company. So what are they known for? You can come here, you head on over to this, you can type in the name of the company, and you can search for the category that you're looking for. So you can click on dating. So if you click on dating, you can click and get started, right? And these are the things that popped up. So if you look on here, you can see that some of these are kind of familiar. It's kind of different. However, right, it is a little bit different because some people just come on here. It's not going to cost you any money. All you got to do, and you can look at the designs. There's so many of them. You can look and see exactly what they want, right? Blue or black. So you can change the color. You can change the color. You can change the text. So let's say it's all dating, right? They give you the age group, all that type of stuff. So let's choose this one. All right, we click add. So you will click on add, you can change this, you can change the text, you can change the letter size, right? All these things. You can, flip it around. You can add a logo if they gave you a logo, you can add a text, you can add shapes, you can add colors, all different colors that you want, change the color. You can change, the writing. Like if you look on this, change it a little bit. Right? So you can come on here, you can add shape, text, add logos. And when you're done, you could just click on the preview and it's absolutely free. So you can download it for free. All right? Download it for free, send it in and see if they want it. Now, yeah, of course, if you win the contest, you then take that money and you can do whatever you want with it. Right? So that's the good thing about this, that you can make money. Come on here, you can use Canva. You can create your own if you want, or you can go to freelogodesign.com. So you can make money with this. And yes, you can make $598 just by creating logos. So 99 Designs is a great website. Make some money with it. But here's the thing with all these websites that I'm talking about. These websites, yes, you can make $598. Yes, but how often will you be making money? What if what if there's a particular way that you can make money over and over again? I'm talking about passive income, something that once you do the work right now, you're going to make money time and time again. Now, I always talk about this and I keep sharing it all the time. The reason why I do this full time is to make money, is to make passive income, is to have the life of freedom, to enjoy the things that I want whenever I want. So if you look on here, I post all these things. You see my family down here. Me and my kid, we go to the beach all the time. We always hang out and I just love what I do. So this is the reason why I do this, is about the time freedom, is getting up when you want, whenever you want, and do what you want. So I always say your job should be a side income. You should have something going on for you that's going to make you the money, and your job, every week job payment should be your side hustle. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to work with me, you want to see exactly what I'm doing, go to andremilleronline.com. I'll send you my #1 recommendation so you can see what I'm working on. I appreciate you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.